Hi everybody, Mike Lee Connect, Movement is Life. It is Friday and Friday is F-Bomb Friday. At least one F-Bomb dropped in the video and for sure there'll be a couple today. Alright, so today I want to talk about hydration. Okay, so how this video came about is last weekend I went to Michael's doubleheader, baseball, in South Florida, and he's on the travel team. And yet again, a couple kids overheated. Okay, oh, it's so hot, overheated. No, your kid is dehydrated. Okay, I'll explain. The heat does not change in Florida. It's the same fucking heat as your fucking first F-bomb. It's the same heat every weekend. Okay, it is not changing. It's hot. It is Florida. That's why people live in Florida. Okay, but systematically, I'm watching on that field, and every weekend, one or two kids has to go out of the dugout, and they gotta fucking fan him with the freaking fan with the water, and they gotta put a rag on the thing. And I'm looking at Michael, and he's just fine. Why? Michael is constantly hydrated. Okay, this is how it works with hydration. I'm gonna give you a little fucking, here's your second F-bomb. I'm gonna give you a lesson in hydration so you understand how it works. Number one, any event you're gonna do outside where it's hot, you have to start at hydration the day before, if not a couple of days before. Once you're dehydrated and you're outside in any activity, it's too late. You're just playing catch up and it's not gonna fucking work. Here's your third fucking F-bomb. Okay, so here it goes. Where I learned the most valuable lesson in hydration was when I was in Israeli Special Forces in the IDF. Why? They made us do Masa. Masa in Hebrew means a long march with a lot of heavy equipment, especially my unit. I'm Orev Golani, and Orev unit is heavy weaponry with missiles and all this shit, more heavy than anybody else. And on top of it, we're a mountain brigade, so we're constantly going fucking uphill. And in Israel, it's fucking hot. It's fucking hot in Israel, especially if you do desert training in the Negev. It's very hot in Israel, okay? And there's such thing as mishmat mayim. Mishmat mayim means water discipline, okay? And guys were fucking passing out left and right from being dehydrated, because at my time, there was water discipline. It would be like every 5 kilometers, and don't quote me on that, I don't fucking remember, I was 18 at the time in boot camp. Okay, every 5 kilometers, they'd say, "Shte chayalim memiyah." 2 guys, 1 canteen of water. And the first one that would go usually more, and the other guy would say, "Hey, give me the fucking canteen. Right? And you drink from the same canteen half. Okay, it wasn't enough water. It wasn't. Okay, later on, the IDF changed it and stopped the mishmat mayim. There's no more water discipline because guys were being fucking passing out of dehydration. Okay, Iron events. Wolf events. Wolf events are 30-hour events with limited food, limited sleep, a shitload of fucking physical work. But I constantly manage the people's waters. Constantly their water is managed. Okay, so here we go. A few tips, a few things that you should do as far as hydration. Okay, if you're a parent and your kid is about to have some kind of event outside in Florida, starts the day before. Drink water, amen, drink water. All this soda shit, today, I'm 29 day, any soda, I used to drink 1 Celsius a day in the morning just to wake me up. I'm soda free, nothing. I've been only drinking sparkling water and water for 29 days. I feel fucking great. Okay, so the day before your kid is about to do any type of event, right? Make him drink a lot of water. I know he's sitting there now, you got the Zoom shit with school, they're playing video games and they're not drinking enough because they're not thirsty. If somebody drinks because they're thirsty, it's too late. It's fucking too late. Here's your fucking F-bomb, okay? You need to drink as a system to hydrate yourself. All right, so us as adults, let's go back to the adults now. Let's leave the kids, okay? Us as adults, I got a lot of people that come here to train for weekend-long courses, okay? Certification, seminars, Wolf series kicks back in 2021, the whole fucking 9 yard, okay? And there's people that sometimes, I mean, the last time we had one, the guy was on the floor, cramping like a motherfucker. We were worried he wasn't gonna make it, and he kept saying it's hot, it's hot. No, it's hydration. Heat is one thing, hydration is something else. You can be dehydrated in cool weather, okay? So here's tips. This is what I do almost every morning. I have a Yeti, and I love my fucking Yeti. George Pacheco, my black belt, gave it to me. And this is my discipline up to my lunchtime. I have to finish this motherfucker before it's lunchtime. Okay, what I do is I cut half a lemon. I usually try to buy organic lemons at Publix if they have it. If not, fine regular lemon. And I usually try to buy seedless lemons because it's fucking pain in the ass to take the fucking seed out. But half a lemon, I squeeze in. I put a few cubes of ice in it. I fill it up with water, and I put maybe a third of a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Why? Himalayan salt contains 3 minerals, or whatever the fuck that is. Here's your fucking F-bomb. Potassium, calcium, and potassium, calcium, and one other fucking thing, okay? That prevents cramps, okay, for adults, okay? And it's not magnesium because Himalayan salt does not have magnesium, okay? You have to supplement the magnesium. We'll talk about the magnesium in a second, especially for men, okay? So I put the Himalayan salt, I shake it, and I sip on that motherfucker. I don't fucking gulp it, I sip on that motherfucker, and I have to finish before my lunchtime. My lunchtime is a late lunchtime, it's usually 2 or 2:30, because that's just the way it works. So that's my first thing I do. Why? It's discipline. Okay, so now, let's say I'm here for a full weekend doing training. Now, if you've been to Warrior Strength, my school, my gym, it's hot in here. It's a fucking warehouse. Okay, so I'm all day long in that warehouse. From the morning, I have a couple private classes, then I do the videos, then I have the group brunch classes, then I do my own workout. I usually do my workout around 11 to 12, then I take a shower, and by the time I do a couple of freaking errands, it's time for my lunchtime. Okay, it's very hot. Because it's very hot, I have to manage things. So if it's a weekend of event, I play with coconut water. Now the coconut water I like is Body Armor. Okay, this is better than fucking Gatorade. Gatorade is full of sugar and it does not have the electrolytes of coconut water. So I get the Body Armor, this says 10% actual coconut water. I get the low calorie one with stevia because I don't want all the sugar. And what I do is I will buy 2 or 3, okay, and I fill it halfway. Then I fill the other with water. I don't drink it straight, half, okay? So I drink 2 of those in the afternoon from 2 to when the training is over, okay? So I got this motherfucker until lunchtime, and I got those two by the time I hit fucking the evening, okay? So what that does is it's constantly hydrating me with electrolytes, okay? Now, the most deficiency in men, forget women for a second, men, okay, is magnesium, okay? Cramping at night because you work out a lot, heat, this, that, blah, usually is a deficiency in magnesium. So I put also this in, hydration cups, okay? You can get it at fucking, I'm not plugging this in, I'm not making any money from fucking these people. You can get it from Vitamin Shop, GNC, freaking, I think they have it at Walmart. This has magnesium. So you put a cup in there and you got magnesium, the potassium, the calcium. What happens is it prevents you the cramp at night. Okay, if you work out a lot, you run a lot, you're in the heat a lot, this and that, active, you might have cramps. You might think, oh man, I'm getting old. No, you fucking have a magnesium deficiency. You gotta fucking plug it in. Okay, also, me personally, I'm a fucking Zohan. I'm fucking from Israel. I'm an Israeli commando. We like Fizzy Babalech. Okay? I like to find myself, and this is the shit I'm drinking now. I fucking love it. It's called Liquid Death Murder Your Thirst. It's sparkling water. It has nothing in it but water and CO2. Nothing in it. And it's from fucking Austria, where fucking Schwarzenegger came from. Okay? Here's your fucking F-bombs again, right? So, and when I drink this, people look at me like, motherfucker's drinking a beer at 9 o'clock in the morning. No, it's sparkling water. You have to buy water you like. Okay, I love Body Armor water. I fucking love it. It comes with a little fucking thing of you sip like that. Sometimes I do like this, right? I fucking love it. Because I love it, I drink it. If you buy a water that you're bored with and you don't actually like it, you're not gonna drink it. Okay, I personally don't like Zephyr water. I don't like it. Okay, I like Dasani, I like Body Armor, I love Fiji water, but that shit's too fucking expensive. Find a water you like and drink fucking water. Also, condition yourself to drink, to hydrate, not because you're thirsty. I tell my students all the time, if you train here, 2-minute break, hydration break, thirsty or not, drink. If you drink while you're thirsty, it's fucking too late. You're starting to be dehydrated. All right, guys, F-Bomb Friday. It is fucking Friday. Have a fucking great weekend.